Hi, hello everyone. Good morning to all. Welcome to this online class of strategic management. Today what we are going to discuss is importance of business environment. The first very importance of business environment, it helps to identifying the opportunities as well as it gives making of first mover advantage. When any organization deeply analyzes the business environment means automatically an organization can able to identify the business opportunities inside that market condition, as well as by identifying the business opportunity a company can make the product as a first mover when compared to the other competitive companies. So this is what the first importance of business environment. For example, we can take Airtel, the big giant in telecommunication industry. What they did is, when they are keenly watching the business environment, they identified that customers are in need of fast internet in that modernized digitalized era, digitalized world. So customers are in need of faster internet packages. By analyzing that business environment, the Airtel company found that customers are in need of faster internet. Immediately Airtel provided 4G internet speed to all the customers. That is what first mover advantage when compared to the competitors of Vodafone as well as the Idea. So once the Airtel provided the 4G internet, everybody focused on Airtel, everybody changed to the Airtel communication, so automatically the business grew up. So that is what the importance of business environmental analysis. When you are keenly analyze the business environment means we can easily identify the opportunities in the market. Once we have find out the opportunities in the market means automatically we can produce the goods, we can provide the services based upon the customer need and want. Once we are find out that product or services means we have launched in first. That is what first mover. When we are launched the product or services in first means, so automatically our business will grow up. In the same way, Asian Paints, the big giant in paint industry, lost their market share. Why? Failure to analyze the business environment. But Nerolac grabbed that opportunities, grabbed the technological opportunities first. Now the market share in the paint industry, Nerolac stands first, began to continuation of Asian Paints. So Asian Paints failed to identify the technological improvement in paint. Nerolac identified that technological improvement paints and moved first and launched first. Now the Nerolac stands first and Asian Paints go behind that. So this is what the identifying opportunities and making first mover advantage. And the second importance when we are analyzing the business environment means it helps to identify the threats and early warning signals. It helps to identify the threats as well as warning signals. Analysis of business environment not only providing the opportunities but also it will give identification of any warning signals, as well as it will give some threats happening in the market condition. So what kind of threats, what kind of challenges, what kind of problems an organization going to face in future it will provided by the analysis of business environment. So environmental awareness, this kind of signals, this kind of threat signals help the managers to identify the solutions for that particular warning signals. So environmental awareness can help managers to identify the various threats happening on time or in future and save as an early warning signal. So for example, Patanjali products have become a warning signals to the rest of FMCG goods. This sector develops similar products. If Indian firms finds that a foreign multinational is entering into the Indian market with new substitutes, that is the greatest warning signal. That warning signal already given taken by the Patanjali, and they are immediately launched the Indian traditional products. And another one is Chinese mobile has become a biggest threat to the Indian mobile phone manufacturers like Lava or like Carbon or like Micromax. So these are all the companies who are all the producers of mobile phones in India. So when entering of Chinese mobile phones like Oppo or Vivo or Xiaomi, so these are all the Chinese mobile phones entering into the India, it will give warning signals to the Indian companies. So this analysis of business environment not only providing the opportunities but also it providing the warning signals as well as threats the organization going to face in future. So once we are awareness about that challenges, problems, what kind of conflicts we are going to face in future, means in prior advance we can able to move our strategy in a way like that what we are going to face the challenges. So remaining importance we can see in the next video.